Before we start hiding a page on your Wix website, let me first show you how to add a new page. First, head over to the Pages drop-down menu on the top left-hand side, click on Manage Pages at the bottom, and then on Add New Page at the bottom again. You can either select one of Wix's pre-made page templates, such as an About page, Services page, Projects page, Contact page, General page, Landing page, Error page, a store, bookings, restaurants, blog, pricing plans, or dynamic pages, or click on Add Blank Page at the top, which is exactly what I'll do. Name that page in the Site menu, such as Hide Page, and then click on Done. If we X out of the Site Pages and Menu pop-up, you'll see that this new page we just added, the Hide Page page, appears in our page menu. Let me show you how to hide this page. Let's head back to the Pages drop-down menu on the top left-hand side and click on Manage Pages at the bottom. Click on the three little dots on the right-hand side of that page, and then on Settings. To hide this page from the Pages menu in Wix, under this Page Info section, toggle this Hide From Menu option to On. Now, if we X out of the Site Pages and Menu pop-up, we'll be able to see that the page isn't appearing on the Pages menu anymore. To make sure that this page is truly hidden, not only from your site menu, but also from search engines, make sure that you click on SEO Basics on the panel up top, scroll all the way down, and then toggle this option where it says Let Search Engines Index this page to Off. This will ensure that your page is not only hidden on your site menu, but also from Google. In order to show that page again, click on the Pages drop-down menu on the top left-hand side, on Manage Pages at the bottom, on the three little dots next to that page, and then click on Show in Menu from the pop-up that appears. If we go ahead and hide this page again by clicking on the three little dots, and then on Hide From Menu, and then head back to the Settings option, let me show you how you can link to this page even if the page is hidden. Under the Page Settings pop-up, under SEO Basics, you'll be able to see the URL of that page. In order to create hidden pages you can still link to, all you have to do is share this URL with your site visitors or even on a link or button on another page on Wix. Now let me show you how to hide sections on mobile. Let's X out of the Site Pages and Menu pop-up and head over to the mobile editor of your Wix site. All you have to do is click on the section you want to hide on mobile, such as this About section over here, and then click on Hide Section from Mobile on the right. Once that section is hidden, you'll be able to see it on this Hidden on Mobile option over here on the left. These elements are hidden on your mobile site, but are visible on desktop. You can change an element to be shown on mobile below. In order to show a hidden element again, just head over to the section you hid and then click on Show Element on the right. Now, if you want to delete a page instead of hide a page, all you have to do is click on the Pages drop-down menu on the top left-hand side, click on Manage Pages at the bottom, on the three little dots next to the page, and then click on Delete right at the bottom on the pop-up that appears. Always make sure that you click on Publish on the top right-hand side to make any changes active. For even more Wix tips and tricks, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.